Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Java setup incomplete error message 1618. Please refer to the Java Help Center for troubleshooting information or to contact your system administrator. And it says that Java update did not complete. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in services, best result should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the Windows installer service and double click on it. If service status is stopped, you want to go ahead and start the service and then select OK. Close out of here and then attempt to run the Java updater once again, and then hopefully it should have resolved the problem. If not, something else we can try now that we've already have turned that on would be to open up the search menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath other, scroll down and select program compatibility troubleshooter and select run. You would select Java from the list if it was applicable, and then you would select next. You would locate the program location on your computer. So there was an executable file you perhaps ran, or it was an item in the downloads folder. You go ahead and navigate to it, and you would select next once you've selected it. So again, I'm going to actually just go select a program that's already showing on our computer here, but in your case you'll select the Java if you see it, and you would select try recommended settings, and then you would finally go ahead and select next here. Then you would select test the program. If everything worked properly, you would then select next, and then you would save the settings for this program. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.